How to fix HP laptops stuck in boot loop or OS not booting problems solution. Hello everyone and let's get started. Make sure to follow each of the steps to solve this issue. First of all, turn on the laptop and keep on pressing the escape button in order to open the settings. Once you see the startup menu on your screen, you have to press F2 to open the system diagnostics. This will then give you the new screen of hardware diagnostics. From the list of the options, you have to go to firmware management using the down key. This will give you the another page which is for BIOS management. From here, you have to go to BIOS rollback by pressing the right arrow key. Now you just have to click on the enter button and you will be good to go. This will now definitely fix the problem. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.